Hey everybody, well, this is the case that I got. Now I got this case because one, I was looking for a case with fans already in it, but it seemed like everybody didn't took all the cases, so this is all I can get and stuff. So this is what I got and stuff. I looked at reviews. They say that this case is kinda it has not good airflow, but we'll figure that out to make better airflow out of this. Let me turn it to the side. Here's the side of it. This is, I think it's a temporary glass or something. I gotta look. Thermaltake. Now let's open it. All right, let's see what we got. I better be happy with this, but I don't know. I'm figuring a way to get some better air out of it. Gotta get these things, gotta make it out, and I can hold this camera. So, hold on. Let's go to the back of the case. So, let's let's take these things off first. Take these things off. Hold on again. All right, let's take this plastic off. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we have some front fans. Hold on. Okay, now we have front fans here, as you see. Leave this little plastic on because it's plastic. Like, look, you got plastic on it, so we're gonna leave that plastic on there. You got your USB 3-point. Got your power button. Got your earphones. Let's see what else. Let me get this straightened up. Boom. Let me put this in the light a little bit better. What is that? Reset button. You got your dust cover. With some airflow. And you can put more fans on top, like your liquid fan, like your more fans on top. I don't know why people say this thing doesn't have that much air stuff, but I don't know. Hold on, let me turn it around. Side glass panel. Look at that. Can't see it that good because it's dark. Glass panel. I'm gonna take it off in a few minutes. Fans built in. Those are Argb fans. 3 in there, 1 back there. In the back. Turn it around. See? The back. Ever so you won't see it that good because it's dark. There you go, a little bit. the motherboard right there to with your USB and HDMI that comes with the motherboard. This is where your video card will go. Take up 2 of these. Power supply will go down here. Unscrew some of these. We're gonna open it in a few minutes. Just hold on. Let me turn it the other way. The other side with let me put it in the light a little bit. We have some airflow right here. If you can see it, but you can't see it that good. But airflow. Now let me open this back side up. Let's take this thing apart. Open these side panels. So hold on. Let's open the side panels. Now to open the side panel, we're gonna need a screwdriver. Is it loose? Oh, not loose. Let's see if this other one's loose. Ooh, it's tight. Okay, there it go. Now it's loose. Oops, and it fell. Hold on, so I know this glass don't break. Okay, let's side panel. Easy. It's heavy glass. It's heavy. Ooh, this glass is heavy. Shit. Ooh, I gotta put it somewhere. PlayStation, hold it for me. There we go. The inside of it. Just prop it up some. You can see it better. The wire. Got your wires ready. Boom. Got your fan, if you can see in there. You know what? I'll cut the light on. There we go. Some light up in here. You got your fan there. You got your wires. Look at that. Come on, boom. Zoom in. Look at that. See the wires where they running? Up in there. You got your fans, thermal fans in here. You got your SSD latch right there. I don't know if this is an RGB fan or not, but it's another hookup fan. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it around and unlock the other side. Hold on. All right, now let's open this side. Ta-da! know what? We'll cut the light on because it don't make sense for me to just go take it in all in. Let's cut the light on. Here we go. Now, you can put your, you know what, since I got it, I got to try to see if this, if my, I got a 500 gigabyte hard drive. I might see if it's going to fit in here. Because that's a big chunk. There's two things that can save a big chunk of money. The RBG hookup system. Look at that. Now these wires are still hooked up like it is. I might leave it like it is. Just throw the motherboard in and see if I have to do some hard hooking up stuff. And then the other stuff just swing them through the holes. Just like these holes right here and right here. You know. So I have to untangle nothing and maybe move some wires around. Because they already seem like they set up for them. And it's just unlatching any of this stuff. The ones that I can't get through are just like this one might have to unlatch depending on where it's going. so yeah. Got another unlatched piece right there. Let me pick it up. It's not heavy as it is when it's what you call it? Oh, we got some light system. Y'all can see. Reset. Earphones, microphone, I think. 3-point USB. Don't know what that is. Hard drive, telling me the hard drive is working. Power button, turn on, play on the computer, turn on. So, front glass. I gotta wonder if this front glass can come off. We'll see. But like some people say though, this does not have good airflow. Some people say because I looked on the YouTube, but we'll figure something out to get some good, better low airflow from this. Uh-oh. So what you gotta do is, and I'm gonna show y'all, it's gonna be funny. What you gotta do is squeeze this motherboard box in there. That's what we go motherboard that we put in there. Is that MSI? And then let me squeeze some other stuff in. Hold on. Then what you gotta do is put that chip into that motherboard, and then oh no, I want to show y'all something else, but it won't be until tomorrow to unbox it. So that's what has to be put in there. With the video card that I accidentally just said, F it, I'm getting it. I'm not going to tell you what kind, and you'll see it. It's coming. It's on its way. With the power supply is delayed in Illinois. And it's an 850 watts, but I don't know what's going on. It's been stuck there since Sunday. So I don't know. Because like it's true though, it's hard to find a power supply. So that got to go here. So let me take this out. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I gotta put this thing back together and put it somewhere so it don't collect dust stuff. And put this. Oh, this is the Cooler Master. Yeah, I've seen the video for that. And the room is messy. So these are fans. So let me get the box. I'm just making a thumbnail. That's why you see me doing this.